Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video about a program that I've been in since September of 2017, earning a full-time income online. And of course, I'm going to start off with proof, but then I also want to talk about some of the things that I see happening in the industry, why people are failing, and what you actually need to do differently and what you actually need to focus on so that you can have an online business that is leading in the right direction. An online business opportunity that's going to allow you to generate a full-time income. For those that don't know, I'm a single mom of two. I was looking for opportunity back in 2015, and for about a year and a half, I was struggling. I was getting involved with programs that was not getting the results that I wanted. And then when I bumped into this opportunity in 2017, I was able to generate thousands of dollars online, and I'm showing others how to do it. So for those that don't know, the name of the company is called the Power Lead System. And the Power Lead System is basically a traffic generation tool. It's a way for you to set up a funnel and have people take a look at your business opportunity or the Power Lead System and generate commissions using cold traffic. So for those that don't know what cold traffic is, it's basically people that don't know anything about you. They are just looking at your opportunity, and based on your funnel, it's something that they are interested in. And that's what I love about this program, because normally cold traffic doesn't convert at the front end. It normally takes people a long time to keep looking at your opportunity before they decide to move forward. But with this one, we're seeing that we're getting conversions right in the beginning, and I'm going to show you guys that. The Power Lead System, it has a bunch of different levels in it. I always tell people come in as high as you can, because then you're able to leverage the opportunity and make the most money. As you can see, I am all in, which means that each one of these buttons is green and that I can earn the highest commissions possible. The gold, those are $20 residual commissions. The diamond, you get $100 commissions. The platinum is $400 commissions, and the MTI is $1,000 commissions. At the gold level, you make a $53 payment per month. The diamond level is a one-time payment of $147. The platinum is a one-time payment of $497. And the Master Traffic Institute is a one-time payment of $1497. What I've earned for the week so far, and the week actually ends tomorrow, I'm at $1,745 for the week. And the week before that, I made $3,035 with this program, okay? And all I'm doing is driving cold traffic to my link. This is what happens when you actually get people that sign up with you. You're going to get this notification, and it shows you basically how many opt-ins you receive. I show people how to run and get traffic, how to generate leads on a daily basis. Normally, getting 60 to 100 leads is what I would like to start my team out with, and I show you exactly how to do that. Before I get into this, that's one thing I want to explain, is a lot of people get into programs and they have a lot of training on mindset. And mindset is important, but also knowing what to do once you get into a program and what steps you need to take in order to start generating commissions is also important. Because if you work on mindset, but you don't know what to actually do to start generating traffic and leads, you are not going to be successful with an online business. Both of those go hand in hand, because for mindset, of course, yes, you have to believe in what you're promoting. You have to believe in the program that you're in, but you also need to know how to do it and what to do. When you sit in front of your computer and you are ready to start giving the information out to other people, where do you start and what do you actually focus on? That's extremely important. So that's one of the things that we talk about, and what I show people how to do, what to do first, second, and third when they actually join an online business opportunity, okay? So here, today I had 3 gold members. That's a total of $60 in a residual commission. Here I had a total of $1,000. Fast start bonus is when somebody comes in at the highest level. I had a diamond member come in, which is a $100 commission on the 21st. 2 PLS customers, that's $40. I had 4 gold members, which is a total of $80, and another diamond member on the 20th. That's a $100 commission. And as you can see, what I'm actually doing is I'm running traffic, this where it says 100, where it says 74, those are people that opted into my list, which means I have them on my email list, and they are getting information from me on a regular basis about the opportunity and what it is that I'm actually doing. And that's what allows me to bring in these commissions. I spend approximately $175 to $240 per week running traffic, and it gets me the results that I'm looking for. And no, I do not do it just once every 2 weeks, once a month. It's every single week. I made a decision that if I wanted to build this business and I wanted to make $3,000 a week, I had to consistently pump and drive traffic to my link. I utilize free traffic and paid traffic strategies. I show people how to use free traffic if they don't have paid traffic. And what I want to show you guys is right now, let's see if I can find it. I have an automated tool that I use, and it allows me to basically get people looking at my opportunity on a regular basis. So all I have to do is basically type in the information of the people I want to target, and I have a tool that runs while I'm sleeping. So I put this tool on, and it goes out and it finds people that are interested in my business. Okay, that's what I do. Back to the Freedom Takers, which is the name of my group that will allow you to pretty much get all of the information about the Power Lead system. We have over 3,500 people that are in the Freedom Takers group. And in that group, we just pretty much inspire each other. We put up our results. And there's also a ton of training that's in the background that tells you what to do when you actually get started. Me being your sponsor, when you come in at the higher levels, I will set up your funnel for you for free. So you don't have to worry about that. You can just start driving traffic within 24 to 48 hours after your funnel is actually complete and ready to go. Okay. If you want to connect with me on Facebook and kind of get an idea of what I'm doing, and I have proof on my page, and I'm building relationships with people on my Facebook page. You can come to my Facebook page and get more information about what it is that I do to connect with me. Ask me any questions you may have, okay? This is my page. You put in Amanda Ray, and my information will come up, and basically you can connect with me here, okay? You can just send me a message, ask questions. Here's a tool that I'm using to market my business, unlimited PayPal commissions that you get instantly to your account. And there's a ton of information and value that's here. So if you would like to get to know more about what it is, what I'm doing, more information about how I generate income on a consistent basis, the link is in the description below. If you would like to connect with me, that information is also available in the description below. So thanks so much for viewing my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a great night.